Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, I shall explain some question of Mathematics 979, Paper 1, Variant 2, Pure Mathematics 1, Session May June 2024. Let's start for the question number 1. The question number 1 is the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 minus 4x whole equals 6 is 12 times the coefficient of x square in the expansion of the 2 plus ax whole is power 5. Find the value of the positive constant a. Let's start the solution of the question. We know that the binomial expansion is 1 plus x whole is power n equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial x square up to so on. Now we shall expand the given 1 minus 4x whole raised by 6 up to x square. So by using the binomial formula and by the expansion, we get 1 minus 4x, 1 minus 24x plus 240x up to so on. As we need to coefficient of x square, so the coefficient of x square is equal to 240. Now for the expansion of 2 plus ax whole raised by 5 up to x square, we get but first of all we shall do some modification so that we can expand it according to the binomial expansion. So by taking the 2 common, we shall get 2 raised by 5 into 1 plus a by 2 x whole raised by 5. After simplification, we get 32 into 1 plus a by 2 x raised by 5. Using the expansion, by using the expansion, we get 2 plus a x whole raised by 5 equal to 32 into 1 plus 5 into a by 2x plus 5 into 5 minus 1 or 2x by using the binomial expansion. After simplification, we get 32 plus 80 ax plus 80 a square x square up to so on. The coefficient of x square is 80 a square. According to the given condition, the coefficient of x square for 1 minus x 4x whole raised by 6 equal to 12 into coefficient of x square for 2 plus ax whole raised by 5 according to the condition in the given question. So as the coefficient of x square in 1 minus 4x whole raised by 6 is equal to 40, and the for the other 2 plus ax whole raised by 5 is 80 a square. After simplification, we get a equal to 0.4. We get a equal to 0.5 after simplification. So we shall take the positive value only, because according to the requirement of the question, we shall take the positive value of the a. So now for the question number 2, the curve y equal to x square is transformed to the curve y equal to 4 into x minus 3 whole square minus 8. Describe a sequence of transformation that have been combined, making clear the order in which the transformation has been applied. The question number 3 is, show that the equation 7 tan theta over cos theta plus 12 equal to 0 can be expressed as 12 sin square theta minus 7 sin theta minus 12 equal to 0. For part B, hence solve the equation 7 tan theta over cos theta plus 12 equal to 0 for 0 less than equal to theta, theta less than equal to 360. For the question number 4, the function f is defined as f of x equal to x under root x minus 1 for x greater than 1. Part A, find an expression for f inverse x. Now, for part B, the diagram shows the graph of y equal to g of x, where g of x equal to 1 over x square plus 2 for x belong to R. State the range of g and explain whether g inverse exists. Now, for part C, the function h is defined by h of x equal to 1 over x square plus 2 for x greater equal to 2. Solve the equation hf of x equal to f of 25 over 16. Give your answer in the form of a plus b whole under root c, where a, b, and c are constant. The question number 5 is, the first and the second term of an arithmetic progression are tan theta and sin theta respectively, where 0 less than theta, theta less than pi by 2. Part A, given that the theta equal to pi by 4, find the exact sum of the first 40 terms of the progression. The for part B is the first and the second terms of a geometric progression are tan theta and the sin theta respectively, where 0 less than theta, theta less than pi by 2. Part B is find the sum to infinity of the progression in terms of theta. The part second is given that theta equal to pi by 3. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the progression, given your answer right to the three significant figures. For question number 6, the curve with the equation y equal to 2x minus 8 x raised by 1 by 2 has a minimum point A and intersect the positive x-axis at B. Find the coordinates of A and B. After that, the point B is, part B is, as the diagram is given, as you can see on the screen. The diagram shows the curve. The diagram shows the curve with equation y equal to x minus 8 x raised 1 by 2 and the line AB. It is given that the equation of AB is y equal to 2x minus 32 over 3. Find the area of the shaded region between the curve and the line. We shall find out this area, shaded area. For the question number 7, the equation of a circle is x minus 6 whole power square, x minus 6 whole square plus y plus a whole square equal to 18. The line with the equation y equal to 2a minus x is a tangent to the circle. Part A, find the two possible value of the constant A. Part B is find the greatest value of A. Find the equation of the diameter which are perpendicular to the given tangent. For the question number 8, the diagram shows the symmetrical plate A, B, C, D, E, F. The line A, B, C, D is a straight line and the length BC is equal to 2 centimeter. Each of the two sector A, B, F and D, E, F is of radius r centimeter, and each of the angle A, B, F and D, C, E is equal to pi by 3 radians. Part A, it is given that r equal to 0.4 centimeter. Show that the length EF equal to 2.4. Second is find the area of the plate. Give your answer correct to the three significant figures. For the part B, it is given instead the perimeter of the plate is 6 centimeter. Find the value of r. Give your answer correct to the three significant figures. For the question number 9, a function f is such that f dash x equal to 6 into 2x minus 3 whole square minus 6x for x belong to r. Part A, determine the set of values of x for which f of x is decreasing. Part B is given that f of 1 equal to minus 1. Find x. The question number 10 is, the equation of a curve is y equal to 5 minus 2x whole raised by 3 by 2 plus 5 for x less than 5 by 2. Part A point P moves along a curve in such a way that the y coordinates of the point P is decreasing at 5 units per second. Find the rate of change which the x coordinate of the point P is increasing when y equal to 32. Part B, point A on the curve has y coordinate 32. The point B on the curve such that the gradient of the curve at B is minus 3. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Given your answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant. How you can access the solution of all these above questions? The step 1 is, first of all, open the website kingcamrasolution.com. After that, click on the right corner, top corner, login and register button, register link. When you click this, you will find this interface. Apply. Then after that, you will click on the sign up link. When you click on the sign up link, you will find the interface like this. Provide your user, email, password, and click the sign up. When you click the sign up, you will automatically log into the website to purchase the courses, to buy the courses. Or you can also manually log into the website. When you log into the website, you will find this interface. Then go to the courses and click the courses link. When you click on the courses link, you will find all the courses on the website. When you click on any courses, after that you will find this interface. Click on the add to the cart, and after that click the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, you will find this interface. Provide all the field of the stripe. When you click on the submit, your course will be shown in the order history of your count. In the order history of your count. In the order history of your count, when you click on the order history of your count, you will see your course like this. When you click on this course, you will find the course content. You will find the course content. In the course content, there are two icons. One is the file icon and other is the video icon. When you click on the file icon, you will download the PDF solution of each question. And after that, when you click on the video button, you will download the video solution of the question. Best of luck. See you for the solution of the question.